In this video, I'm going to show you how to let Photopea access your clipboard so you can copy and paste text, images, and design elements without getting blocked by your browser. This is a super useful fix if Photopea isn't letting you paste properly, or if you keep seeing clipboard permission issues in Chrome, Edge, or Brave. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Photopea in your browser and look right at the top of the window in the address bar where the website URL appears. On most browsers, you'll see a lock icon or sometimes a settings or sliders icon just to the left of the Photopea website address. Click that icon to open the Site Permissions menu. In the drop-down, look for the clipboard permission. If you see it, change the setting from block or ask to allow. This is the quickest way to give Photopea permission to use your clipboard. Once you switch it on, Photopea may show a small message at the top of the page asking you to reload. Go ahead and click Reload so the new permission setting can take effect. After the page refreshes, try copying and pasting again. In many cases, that is all you need to do. Now, if you don't see the clipboard option in the lock menu, don't worry, because there's another easy method you can use to force the permission prompt to appear again. Inside Photopea, go to the top menu and click Edit, then choose Paste. You can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on Mac. Since the browser is still blocking clipboard access, a permission pop-up should appear in the upper left area of your browser. It will usually say that Photopea wants to see text and images copied to the clipboard. When that prompt appears, click Allow. That gives Photopea access and lets you paste content directly into your project. If you still have trouble after allowing it, check whether your browser has blocked clipboard permissions at the site level, then repeat the steps and reload the page again. Also, make sure you are using a supported browser like Chrome, Edge, or Brave, because those browsers usually handle these permissions more clearly. Once you've allowed clipboard access, Photopea should work much more smoothly for copying, pasting, and moving assets between tabs or apps. This is especially helpful when you're editing layered graphics, importing screenshots, or working with copied text elements. So that's how to let Photopea access your clipboard in just a few simple steps. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more Photopea tips, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.